This is how I change a zone damper really quickly. So you have your damper here. This is what you're going to see before you change the damper. You're only typically seeing this, and the rest of this looks just like this duct here. So all this is around here is just this simple insulation here. So we'll pull this duct liner out. So you'll have a duct connected on here. The duct is usually bigger. This one is a little bit smaller, but this duct liner will be wrapped around here, and this insulation will be wrapped around. So what I like to do is, I normally will take a knife and cut a strip here, and then I will cut a strip here like this. Then I'll take my knife and go all the way around that way and all the way around the bottom, and then I'll just remove that insulation off of there. And after you do that, you'll just see this bare metal here, and you'll just have insulation right here at the top. So what you'll do is you'll roll this insulation up, and you will see this liner on the outside of here, usually with some duct tape. So all you'll do is you'll just peel the duct tape off or cut it with the razor, and you will pull this liner right off. That'll leave you with this zone damper sitting on top of the duct. Now, underneath here will be a collar. It'll look exactly like if you imagine from here up. So you'll have these ridges. The ridges, that collar is part of the ductwork, and it'll be inside the bottom of this damper and screwed to it. So you'll have to remove that. So once you remove the insulation, you'll just take the screws off of the bottom, and you will take the old damper off, and you will put the new damper on, and then you'll take that insulation that you removed, wrap it around, put a piece of duct tape or FSK, whatever tape, and then you will tape it there. You'll put the duct back on the liner, and then you will put a strap, big zip tie strap, and then you will duct tape it to get it on there. You'll pull the insulation down and you'll tape it. Super easy. And then of course you'll have to screw the bottom. Now, I like to use this type of insulation. You'll have to check your local codes in your state to see if you can use this insulation, but this here is usually R8. They sell different ones, but you can put 2 layers on there if you like. Now, when I pull the old zone damper off, I don't put the new one in until I've insulated it. So I will go outside on the grass outside, and I will just roll this on here just like this. And I'll take this damper, this zone damper, and I'll roll it just like this. So you can see if I flip this way, you can see here, it'll insulate right under there. So I'll take that bubble wrap insulation and just put it right under there, and usually stick it out a little bit on both sides, maybe around that much. And then I'll take a slit here and a slit in the back and fold that back. That way, when I go back in the house, it's already insulated. I have it folded back. I'll drop it down on there. I'll hit the screws, fold this insulation down, and then seal it properly, and then put some mastic. And then I'll pull this liner down on the top, attach that, fold this part, and attach that to that. And usually, if you do it that way, it's very, very quick. Put in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.